I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners and executives at companies that serve the legal industry. I help these partners and these executives boost their prominence and authority one word at a time. Premium thought leadership lets you charge premium pricing. There's a connection between high-end thought leadership and the prices that you and your colleagues at your law firm can charge your clients for your services. What makes people think something is worth the high cost of that item or that service? It's the perception that that product or service is of high quality. Whether it's the food that you eat, the clothes you wear, the cars you drive, the electronics that you purchase, or the home that you live in, when people think that something is high quality, they tend to be more willing to pay for that because they think that higher quality justifies the higher cost. Thought leadership is just like that in the legal world. Consistent quality thought leadership positions your practice and your firm as high quality, allowing you to charge more for your services. LinkedIn and the Edelman PR firm do an annual business-to-business thought leadership impact report. This most recent report, which surveyed nearly 3,500 management-level professionals, said that 60% of respondents said that good thought leadership makes them willing to pay a premium to work with an organization. What does that tell you? Executives at companies that hire lawyers are willing to shell out the money if they think that a law firm's thought leadership justifies the premium cost of their services. So let's read between the lines here. What makes for premium thought leadership that would allow a law firm to charge premium rates? Well, it's got to be consistent. Occasional thought leadership isn't going to get you there. You might not need to do daily or even weekly thought leadership, but consistent thought leadership a couple times a month is most likely the kind that you're going to need to put out in order to justify premium prices. Next, premium thought leadership needs to be high quality. It needs to be valuable to your target audience. It needs to convey knowledge and wisdom and insights. It can't just be copycat type thought leadership that looks and reads just like every other law firm's. It needs to go above and beyond and explain why a particular court decision or administrative agency action matters. It should go into different types of styles, different types of angles, like best practices or red flags to watch out for, or misconceptions. It needs to be high quality and valuable. It also needs to be relevant. It needs to resonate with your target audience because it has to show that you're at the forefront of their industry. It needs to show that you have a firm grasp on the issues and problems that your clients are facing. It's got to be relevant to them. That's why they're willing to pay higher prices, because they see that your thought leadership suggests that you are focused on the kinds of issues and problems that affect their industry, and thus you are worthy of that higher cost. It also has to be well distributed. You need to actually reach your target audiences. Great thought leadership that's not distributed effectively and efficiently through multiple channels like email, social media, via podcast, via video, it's not going to reach your target audience. They won't be able to get that perception that you're worth the higher prices if they're not seeing or consuming your thought leadership because it's not reaching them. Finally, as a bonus, if you can create content that is niched down to your audiences, that just increases the perception even more that you are offering a premium service. For example, if you want to target healthcare companies, your thought leadership should explicitly say that. You want to make it clear that you are the go-to choice, that you are unparalleled in your ability to help a particular company or help a particular industry because you're so locked into how various legal developments could impact those companies and their industry. There are obviously many factors that impact what rates law firms charge their clients. But those law firms that master thought leadership, that consistently create premium thought leadership, will not only be able to charge premium rates for their time and services, but their clients will be more willing to pay those premium rates because they believe, based on that thought leadership, that the law firm and their attorneys are well worth every penny. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership that can command premium pricing, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.